Good morning, dear children. Let's start with our first topic, that is mysterious space, to find out how much you know about the universe. So, there are 10 statements given here. See, let's discuss about these statements. First of all, there is a statement, all gas planets do not have rings. So, this statement is true. But now the question is, which are the gaseous planets in our solar system? These planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, among which Saturn has 3 well-defined rings, where it has been said that Jupiter and Uranus also have rings, but they are not so prominent. So children, our second statement is the first artificial satellite to be launched into space was Sputnik 1. Yes, this statement is true. This satellite was launched by Soviet Union on 4th October 1957. Okay children, our next statement is the Earth's orbit is circular in shape. This statement is false. Earth's orbit is elliptical in shape, which is similar to an oval shape. Okay children, now our fourth statement is a lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves between the sun and the earth and blocks the light of the sun from reaching the earth. No, this statement is false because during lunar eclipse, earth comes between the sun and the moon, whereas during the solar eclipse, moon comes between the sun and the earth. Next statement is Mercury is the hottest planet in our solar system. No children, this statement is false. Mercury is not the hottest planet because it has no atmosphere to hold the heat and to keep the surface warm, and on the darkest side Mercury is very cold. But Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is because of the greenhouse effect of the atmosphere, which contains 96% of the carbon dioxide. Now, our next statement is the scientific name for a shooting star is comet. No, this statement is false. The scientific name for a shooting star is meteor. Comets and meteors are different. A comet is a body of ice, rock, dust that can be several miles in diameter and orbits the sun, whereas meteors are smaller than comets. Meteors are meteorites that enter the Earth's atmosphere and vaporizes. Meteorites are smaller chunks of rocks in space. Now our next statement is Pluto is no longer considered a planet. Yes, this statement is true. In August 2006, the International Astronomical Union redefined the term planet and classified the Pluto as a dwarf planet. Our eighth statement is the mass of the Sun is 743 times the total mass of all the planets in the solar system. Yes, children, this statement is true, and it is very interesting to know that the mass of Sun is 3,30,000 times that of the Earth. Now our ninth statement is craters are circular holes or depressions common on the moon and some planets occurring due to meteorite impact or volcanic explosions. Yes children, this statement is also true. In moon and other planets, craters are formed due to meteorite impact and volcanic erosions. Okay, 10th and the last statement is Andromeda is the star closest to our solar system. No children, this statement is false because Andromeda is not a star, it is galaxy. It is nearest galaxy to our solar system, to our galaxy. You know which is our galaxy? Yes, it is Milky Way. Closest star to our solar system is Proxima Centauri. Okay children, I hope all of you have understood all these statements.